First open your browser and search on Microsoft Designer. Click to open link Microsoft Designer. Choose Image Creator, click to generate. Follow your step. Prompt available in description. Click to generate. Click on Image Download button here. Double-click to preview. Again, search on Google. Open first, click Remaker. Click to open Face Swap now. Click to upload original images. And click to upload swap images. Click to swap button here. Click to download button here. Again, click to preview image. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comments.